If you just got a new Knaack box, or if you need to install a new lock in one, the process is simple. Before we get into the actual steps, Knaack padlocks are now included in every Knaack box and safety cage. They have been specifically designed by Knaack for Knaack, so your gear is safer than ever. Whether you have a Knaack lockbox that installs vertically or horizontally, the process is the same. And the only tool you'll need is a 1/2-inch wrench. Okay, let's get to work. Open the lid and pull the latch rod to the latched position. Unbolt the padlock tab. Now install the padlock shackle into the padlock tab. Insert the lock and tab into the lockbox. Put the carriage bolt back in the hole and secure with the nut. Let's give it a test run. Before you lock the padlock, slide the rod to unlatched. Close the cover and lock. Slide the bar to latched. Your box is now secure and ready for work. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to follow us on our other socials as well.